What's up, dude? You're back. Hey guys, sorry for the loud noises, but they're working right now. He's running open headers on his truck. Oh no. Ooh. All right, guys, time to take the big truck. All right, so here's the problem. The Dodge Ram 3500, actually it's not even Dodge anymore, it's just Ram, has a giant recall, 3 of them. I'll find out the exact details, but they're like dangerous recalls, so I'm taking it over there and seeing what it is. Yo, sick 2000 owner, a Dodge. Okay, we're gonna say bye to the truck for a couple days. So apparently it's like the drive shaft, the water pump, and one other major thing. But it'll be a couple days, so I'll see what happens. It's like a brand new car when I pick up. I know most people are Charger fans, but I really like the Challengers and I don't know why. Okay. My Uber is here. Gino!
Are you my Uber?
When'd you start doing Uber?
Soon?
Ooh, fries too? Good. All right, guys, just finished lunch with Gino. Gino's up to no good. He's got a couple ideas that talked about. So I'll let you guys know when we have more details. What's up, dude?
Hey, what's up, man?
This guy claims he's not working out. Claims he doesn't work out. Does he work out? He works out.
Barely.
You fit through the door? Barely. Be honest with me. What do you think of the gold?
I'm digging it.
You like it?
I'm digging the gold.
You like it?
Yeah.
Approved.
I don't like black rims. Like
Yeah. Well, I had red before.
Yeah, that's why I love your color.
Ooh.
I love your color.
I like weird colors.
Yeah.
People are like, why would you put red? I'm like, why wouldn't you?
Yeah.
You know, the red ones are over there. See them? They're fucking red. Hey, you know what's really weird about this? So when I first got these wheels done, like almost 2 years ago, a lot of people hated it. A lot of people hated it. Even on this color combo and on the blue combo.
Really?
Yeah. But as of lately, for some reason, everyone loves it. Like the culture changed in 2 years.
Yeah.
Isn't that weird?
It's quick.
It's weird. It's
quick.
weird. Yeah, like people loved it and then they hate it, or they hate it and then now they love it. I can't keep up with you guys, man. All I know is I love these since like day one. Man, that thing is pretty. Hey, Turbo, sit. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, Subi. Hi, Turbo. Wow. Look at that thing.
Hey.
Hello. Your car is so pretty.
Thank
I'm sorry,
you.
your truck is so pretty.
It just came from the shop.
Supercharged. She did it herself.
So yeah, that's
500 horse, Claudia?
Yes, I'm so excited.
500 horsepower, I like it. So Claudia switched over to the dark side. She's on E85 now. Hey, she's on that juice, Rob. She's on E85 now.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yo, oh, you got it. Well, look at that. Look at, turn around, let me see your shirt. That is so cool. This is actually, wow, I like it. This is one of the drawings I did here. We're gonna sign this for him, then put it in the case. Dang. You can jump off the roof with this thing.
I did.
Oh shit.
I broke a couple parts.
Oh shit. That's super cool.
Still alive.
That's so cool. So you want us to sign like right here? Inside the circle?
Yeah.
Sick.
I've broken a couple arms on there.
Man, thanks for coming by, man. I think it's so sick.
You want to take it for a test drive?
You show me. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. Oh no. We're up to no good. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, scary. Oh gosh, there's a car right there. Oh shit. That's so crazy. Who's this rolling up? Oh, hello. That's so crazy. It's fast. Oh, good. That's so crazy. Hi, Jay. Hell no. I gotta run it over accidentally. Cool. This thing is so fun. Just right? So these don't have reverse usually?
They do. But you can turn them on and off. So I just turn mine off.
Jeez, this thing like takes off so fast. Wow, cool. You can like really control it. You can get the hang of it pretty quick.
Yeah.
I want toys. All right, here's the plan. We're gonna jump it out of the office. This is a bad idea.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh goddamn! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Yo,
Recording?
I was looking at.
Oh man, that was so much fun. So I legit almost killed Rob. Sorry, Rob.
Shit!
That is so much fun. Look at that. That is so much fun. What the? Whoa! Told you guys, it's a matter of time. I fucked something up. Look, I flipped it. Oh man, I don't know what I did, but I throttled too hard at a certain position and it got flipped over. Ugh, that's it. I'm gonna show you guys something else right now.
Hey, you want to do like a little video?
Dominoes. That's so cool. Yeah, we'll have a video coming up on it. Jay's ride.